don't you let John do some also? You've already taken out about 3 or 4.
Dog.
Oh, that one's tough.
Dog.
One more and then let John do something, okay? An easy way to do it is to put it in and then push it down. Nick, you push it down and then turn it. Helps you to do it. Push it down and turn it so it stays in contact. Jay, want to do some? Because once we can take this black part off, there's something else between the metal and the black. There's something else that you will want to see.
Maybe it'll be
Try,
good.
Jay. Do some of those little screws.
Daddy, can I have that bowl, please?
As long as you don't make a mess.
I won't. For that I need a blue stick.
Put the screws in there, okay, Jay?
I need blue stick.
Which one is this to?
Space bar.
Space bar.
I have a cherry. And we're kind of talking they don't. It's just a screw. Yeah, I know.
Hand the screw to Chris, and Chris will put it in there for you.
I was almost eating them big look at my boy and I flew around it.
Here. It's just some really crunchy cereal.
Eat it. Is that what you wanted? Can I have some cereal? Is that why you wanted that spoon on it? Because it's my project, so I can have it.
It's okay. Nick, let Chris have a bite of that delicious cereal.
Okay.
Chris, you want some milk on that?
Yeah. Okay. There! That's not the milk. Okay! Here!
Jay, you want some help?
No, I don't want to. Now it's... Chris, can I have some more? Can I get some more of this? Chris, my cereal. No, it's not. It's not your cereal.
Listen, do not fight.
Chris, may I have it back now? Easy for me. I thought there was ants in here. Chris, may I have it back? Can I do the rest? May I have
Go
it
ahead,
back?
start.
Chris, can I do the rest?
Start.
Chris. I'll do the rest, okay, Daddy? May I have it back, please?
Give me the
Chris?
spoon and the bowl.
Yes, sir.
Give me the things.
That's why I'm a good flyer. Dog. Yeah. I'll do the last one. Okay,
John's got the last one, and then I want Chris to open it up and take it apart.
Because it's my project.
It's our project.
Yeah.
You're doing it. It started out as your project, but you're getting help because there are a lot of screws.
Actually, I don't want I don't want any help. Dad, no, I don't want any help.
Well, after John does that, then it's you. Okay, guys, you've helped enough. Now Chris is going to take the rest of it apart. Now Chris is going to
Can
open
we
it up.
just look at it?
You can watch, yes.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Chris, what's that? The motherboard. Number 1.
Whoa. Look at this beautiful thing.
Oh, looky. You could take them all. You could take all of them off.
Don't make a mess. Hey, don't make a mess.
We're taking it off. Good. Fun. Isn't it fun?
Yeah.
Taking green things off of the keyboard. Breaking it. There's the line thingy.
What are the green things made of?
I don't know. Oh, I know. Rubber.
Yes. What are the black things made of?
Not plastic.
Plastic. What are the silver things made of?
Nice. What do you mean silver?
This. Silver.
Metal.
Yes.
You said that at the same
Does anybody
time.
have any idea of what kind of metal?
No. Steel.
Steel, probably. Good.
Hey, I'm gonna push some buttons to play a video game. Look, it's coming apart.
Why don't you flip it over and all of the black things will fall out?
I'm playing a video
Give
game.
it a tap.
Okay.
That's it.
I'm playing a video game. I'm the green thing that shoot in the bag. The one that shoot. I'm playing video game too. Well, look, I just beat up a guy. See? Now look. I'm guessing. Well, look, I just blew up a guy. I'm shooting him. Yeah, I'm shooting. Oh! I got a fireball. Oh, I plunged him. Look, I plunged into one of them and ate him. Look, plates. I'm gonna eat my cereal from here. Oh, my dust. Oh, I ate. Look, one of my guys, look, this guy turned into a good guy. I'm putting them back in the tube. Look, a bad guy turned into a good guy, see? I'm putting them back in. Oh, he just blew up. My dust. Daddy was so happy that we have all these. Eat my dust. There's 2 of me and 1 of you. You see that? Oh, it just blew up. Eat my dust. Oh, there's 3 bad guys and 1 good guy. Yeah.
Anybody know what this thing is right here?
No.
Black.
Motherboard. Nah. I know. The brain of the computer.
Brain of the keyboard. What do you call it?
Microchip.
What is it?
Microchip.
Microchip.
Oh, blast.
Any idea what this thing is called right here?
No.
Take a look at it. You didn't even look. This round thing right there.
Energy.
It does. It stores electricity. Starts with a C.
Computer plane.
No, it's not a computer. Capacitor. This is a capacitor.
You just lost
Any idea what these pretty little things are?
No.
Those pretty little. They start with R.
Rainbow. Reading.
Resistors.
Oh, what's this?
Those are resistors.
Whoa. Not easy.
That.
This is not easy.
Does anybody know what that is?
I don't need any help anymore.
Does anybody know what this is?
That is what I said. I don't need any help anymore.
Do you know what this is? Oops. This is a tiny little light bulb. It's called an LED. An LED. It's a tiny little light bulb.
I knew it was a light bulb, but I didn't see it.
Wonder if we can make it light up. Oh, here's 2 more. Chris, take out those other 2 LEDs, if you will. Take those other 2 out.
Are they green?
They are green. Where's that one? Let me see it. I'll check to see if I can put some electricity to them. Please, pick this stuff up off the ground.
The green winner ground. Right. Winner. The grand prize winner is coming up on stage, but first he has to get ready to come down here to this stage. I'm putting him back in here. And maybe he comes now. Nope. Well, all these square guys are going in the lava pit.